Didn't even confirm anything, just activated flight mode. Now running and shouting like it's a full chase scene. Every bark comes with full body energy, like it's a workout. Bro's not threatening anybody. He's just multitasking badly. Dog going down the stairs like it's a speed run level. No walking, just pure skip everything energy.
Oh my god.
Dog running down the stairs, leaving sound effects every step, but nobody trying to smell check the area. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.